my birthday glue, and he is 6 inches.
Okay, so tell us about it, Ranger.
When he grows up, it will be very, very interesting that he will lay eggs, but blue eggs.
Okay, what are 2 things that you are looking forward to with Big Blue?
Probably like playing around and making a little trophy to him.
Mm-hmm. That's cute. How pretty you are.
Hi, I have a Clover right here. She's 4 inches round, and she loves to lay on her back like this.
Aww.
She likes sleeping, and she's one of the sweetest ones. She's super soft.
Yeah, she definitely has the softest fur.
One of her legs are broken, but that was just a little incident. But other than that, she's very fine and beautiful.
What are some things that you are looking forward with Lover?
When she grows up, I can't wait to see her walking and being healthy, and I can't wait to see her beautiful eggs.
Lover,
Oh, how beautiful!
what are you doing?
Come on.
Alright, so this is Dynamite. He's about like 4 inches, but even though he is small, this guy, he will peck you. He will like start pecking, and then sometimes he is arrested. He will literally get up your belly button and he will literally try to jump off and escape. It's so fun. He is so sweet.
What are you looking forward for Dynamite in the future?
He's a hen, but I want to see how it's going to react.
He's a rooster.
Alright, so my mistake, it's actually a rooster. I got that mistake, but it's okay. But yeah, it's a rooster, but it's also a really sweet rooster sometimes. Sometimes. Yeah, that's really about it.
Jackson, can you explain Dynamite's appetite?
Okay, so one thing about his appetite is that he eats really messy. Okay? But he's the sweetest age, he's a sleeper. So he's the sweetest little thing.
Oh, he's sleeping. Okay.
Okay, so this is Willow. She's a really sweet chicken. I mean, but you could tell, but we have 2 of these types of chickens, and how you tell them apart is by their beak. Oh, yeah, if you look at the beak, she has like a stripe kind of.
Yeah, she has more pink on her beak, and Lavender has more brown on her beak.
Yeah.
Hey Jackson, what's your favorite characteristic of Willow?
Oh, the best characteristic? Well, she is really chill, but she's also a rude chicken sometimes. Okay, because
That's her sister.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's her sister.
Okay. But I also like how she just like lays her head down and just like falls asleep. Like she fell asleep instantly.
Yes, she's just like Lover, just different. What color is Willow?
What color is Willow? I think she's lavender.
Yes, she's Lavender Haze.
Lavender haze.
Yes.
Fancy.
Okay. What do you think she would look like when she grows up? Like what the color will be?
Well, I want to say probably gray.
Yes, maybe gray.
Maybe like a slightish purple.
Yes,
Purple
maybe.
glare.
What do you think her eggs will look like?
What I think her eggs will look like? Honestly, maybe white with like some gray spots. You know? But I mean, what can I say? Like,
She's a chicken.
yeah, I don't know. But she's going to do us great with these eggs.
Yes.
I know that.
Okay, this is our Lavender, the twin of Willow. And she is very sweet. Just, she cannot stop poking the other chickens. And she loves to be pet.
Oh, look at you, Lavender.
She's pretty fluffy for a baby chicken.
Who's fluffier, Lavender or Lover?
I think that Lavender's fluffier.
Okay.
But Lover's fur her fur or feathers are more like softer. Lover's feathers are softer.
Okay. So fur and feathers. Okay.
Her beak is a little bit more black, and it has white on the tip, and then it has pink on the bottom.
Let me pet it.
Her head is a little bit more bigger than the other chicken, but yeah.
What is something that you are looking forward to, Lavender?
I'm really excited for her to have her eggs. I can't wait to see what her eggs look like. And if we do decide to let her eggs hatch, I want to see if they'll look like her.
Okay. What do you think that the eggs are gonna look like?
Depending on when she grows up, what color she is. Maybe she'll grow out of the lavender and she'll turn into golden or something, or black, or brown. Maybe a white chicken. But I'm pretty sure that her egg will look just like her. Maybe. I hope that they're purple.
Look at that pretty little chicken.
I know. Oh,
This is my favorite chicken. It's called a Ranger, and
you want the side Ranger? So this is Midnight. Wait, yeah, this is Midnight?
yes, this is Midnight.
This is Midnight, and this is the one that is all of ours. So
Yeah, we got a bonus.
Yeah, it's a bonus. It's a bonus. She has yellow. And what's a good fact is that she has a little yellow on her wings than another one.
Yeah, that's how you tell the difference, like between Midnight and Dynamite, which is my chicken, Dynamite.
She also has. Wait, is it a she? No, he.
It's a he. You can see his head.
He always, because this is a rooster, so. Yeah, he has a big appetite. Yeah, he has a big appetite, and his crown is coming in fast. You can see right there. Look at the camera.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, you can.
See? You can see that. And I'm so excited for it.
Ranger. What is the best thing about owning chickens?
Oh, is that it's like they're funny, and like some of them they don't really they like to be picked up, and about some chickens they like to be picked up upside down.
Okay.
That. And
Okay.
that's, I think, is that all we have?
Yes.